How to get back old Instagram chat theme. Hey everybody, if you are wanting to do that, you may follow up these easy steps. So head over to Instagram first, and then after heading over here, tap on the chat icon at the top right, and from there, head over to the chat that you would like to get back the old Instagram chat theme. Once you head over to chat, tap on the user's name at the top. And once you do, this menu opens up. Now from the given menu, select the option called theme. And then once you open it up here, you'll be finding different themes. Now from the given theme options, you need to scroll down until you locate up the option, this one right here, which is default. So until you get over to the section of colors, tap after you reach over here, tap on the first option that is default. And after tapping on default, select. And once you do that, Instagram will be changed back to your default old theme. So that is how you basically get back your old Instagram chat theme. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.